Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back. Welcome to my desk. Today I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I plan for the month and the week using my planner, some stickers, some really fun pens, and this is going to be the first video in a series on how to get your life together and be more productive. So definitely stay tuned for more videos to come. So the reason that I plan is so that I can be the most productive during my day and my week. So if you're having an issue kind of going through the week and it's already Friday or Saturday or Sunday and you're like, where did the week go? I got nothing done. This video is for you. So just keep on watching. So I am going to be sharing with you guys how I specifically organize my planner to make it really fun, to make sure that you're getting the most done that you possibly can, be the most productive. So this is gonna help with time management, it's gonna help build good habits, and this is how I keep track of all of my business and personal things all in one place. So if you don't have a planner, you can totally just use a notebook and kind of create your own. I'm gonna link everything that I use down below. This is just what I found to be like the most fun and motivating way that I can actually continue to do this. And I still enjoy doing it and I kind of look forward to doing it. But so what I use is, I always use the same brand for the most part, and I got it at Staples. It is a Blue Sky planner, and this one is for the academic year 2019 to 2020. And it sets it up real nice. So it maps out your whole month for you, and then it also individually maps out the weeks. And what I really like about this planner is that it has like the top 3 that you need to get done for the week, to do, to call, to email, to buy, etc. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what my planner looks like before we get into the planning. And then stickers. I use some silver star stickers, and then these really fun stickers that I picked up from Amazon. Couple of little post-it notes and some really fun pens. These are the Papermate Flair Tip Ultrafine pens. So like I said, I prefer a tangible planner that I can actually hold, and I have everything here in one place. However, if you are more of a digital person, I will put up on the screen a really cool digital planner that I found on Etsy, and it has a bunch of different templates and formats, anything that you would need. So definitely check that one out if you're more of a digital person. Okay, so I'm going to zoom you in so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. So I start out with good old-fashioned pen and paper, and I just put all of the things that I would like to get done for the week, and I jot them down and I split it up into personal and work. Now there's no right or wrong way to do this. The goal is just kind of do a brain dump and just do like a bullet journal, put everything down on paper that you need to get done for the week. Maybe you put stars next to things that you were supposed to get done last week. Now I put everything from like cleaning chores to errands to grocery shopping, phone calls, doctor's appointments, all stuff like that. And I always go into my phone and check my calendar, and then I can just kind of consolidate everything down onto paper. And I try my best to write things down in groups. So for example, this top group is everything that's like cleaning and chore related, and then the bottom group is everything that's for like doctor's appointments or health related things like that. Now the key here is to make this list doable, so what you could actually accomplish in 1 week. Now by just taking the time to do this brain dump, it's really going to help you be able to organize your day and your week and to be the most productive that you can be. Now I also include goals like working out or drinking more water or whatever it may be that you are working towards. I think that's important to write that down as well. So now that I am done with my own personal to-do list, I am moving on to tasks and to-dos that are work-related. So for me, this includes anything from meetings to webinars, conference calls, projects, anything that I am working on work-related. And I always aim to get the things that I am dreading the most done in the beginning of the week, just so that they're done and out of the way. Once I have everything jotted down, I begin putting stars next to anything that is super important. Maybe it's things that were left over from the week prior, but basically anything that will add value to my week. So for my work to-dos, I go in and I number them by order of importance. That way I can get done the things that are most important in the beginning of the week and then kind of just move on to the least important. So now I am ready to move on to planning my week. So the first thing that I do is I go through and I add in any meetings. So any meetings for work, any doctor's appointments, anything that is already on the calendar. This way, all of your scheduled meetings and appointments are already accounted for and you'll be able to plan around them efficiently. Okay, so now I'm referring back to that brain dump bullet journal that I did, and I'm adding in my top 3 must get done tasks for the week for both work and personal. So these were determined and prioritized during the brain dump by using stars and numbering by order of importance. Next, I'm just going to quickly fill out my to-call list and my to-email list for the week. I also love that this planner includes a don't forget section that you can kind of jot in anything that is super important. So now I am creating a personal checklist. I am taking the to-do items and tasks that were put together on my brain dump, and I am just writing them down in the order which I would like to get them done. So for me, I put everything under pink for personal and then green for work. That is just what works for me, and it just helps keep things organized. Now you could do different colors for different kids if you wanted. So whatever works for you. I think that planning is just super personal. This last little section is the to buy section. So I include like groceries, batteries, gifts, random things that I need to buy for the week. I utilize small little post-it notes to put specific tasks for both work and personal on specific days. So if there's certain things that I need to get done on a day, I will go ahead and put it down on a post-it note and then just put it on that day. So now this is my favorite part. I use stickers. I got these planner stickers from Amazon. They're like productivity stickers, health and fitness, and motivational and positive affirmations. So I just randomly place the stickers based on whatever I'm feeling or kind of in the mood for that week. And I also use these stickers to denote things like meetings, doctor's appointments, urgent tasks, cleaning chores, and things around the house that I need to get done, like laundry. If I have any goals or anything that I am working towards that week, I'll also use stickers for that as well. So I also use these stickers to plan and schedule all of my workouts for the week. They have like yoga, cardio, stretching, strength, a bunch of fun different stickers to choose from. And I get bored really easily, so I like to just mix it up and do different workouts on different days. So I use these silver stickers to give myself a star whenever I complete a workout or if I accomplish a goal. Just kind of gives myself some motivation, and it's just kind of fun to use. So I used a monthly calendar view to kind of lay out all of my bills for the month. So then I just jot down each bill that's due on each day and the amounts to keep track. And then I just put a check next to them so that I know that they've been paid. And I also use this section to keep track of paydays for the month, as well as birthdays, weddings, or any other important dates that are happening during the month. All right, guys, so that is it for today's planning video. I hope that you guys like this video. I hope you found it helpful. Again, everything will be linked down below. From the planners that I like to the stickers, everything will be down below in that description box. So definitely check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.